We're going to start with your neck. All right, so we have a little bit of what we call subluxation here on this side. Okay, well, we do have some misalignment there, subluxation, so we definitely want to take care of that. Okay, so this is definitely subluxated here, what we call subluxation here on your pelvis. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and get you scheduled to come in and get this taken care of. We're going to start with 3 times a week for 8 weeks. Any questions about that?
No.
All right, we're going to take you up front and we'll get you scheduled. Okay?
All right, sounds good.